Swiss Room Box. Camping in the car just got easier. Roombox EasyTech is a modular system that transforms most vehicles into a camping car. The base model comes standard with a table for 2 to 4 people and can transform into a single or double bed or storage space. Higher trim levels include a 2-burner gas stove, shower, water heater, and much more. Swiss Roombox says its modular camping system will fit in most vehicles with a hatch. There is also a compatibility list online to make sure Roombox will fit in your vehicle. Pricing for this Swiss-made modular system ranges from $4,051.81 to sit or stomach. This camping hammock will keep you comfortable throughout the night. Like Haven XL, this standard Haven tent is rated at 285 pounds 130 kilograms. But this kit is best for people smaller than 180 pounds 80 kilograms. The Haven tent hammock has the most thoughtful interior of any tent I've ever used. It has 6 separate mesh pockets to store phone, headlamp, etc., and the high-mounted support struts make excellent places to hang wet gear or damp socks. Setting up the Haven hammock tent isn't too difficult. Find an area with no dead branches on the ground. The sign "A dead tree may kill you in the night" when branches drop, and simply run the super easy daisy chain straps around 2 sturdy trees at roughly chest to neck height. Two triangular zipper windows that can seal shut. Waterproof treatment and double-stitched reinforced sewing applied to prolong its service life. Durable ABS plastic frame are lightweight and sturdy. No rust, no warp, no breaks, no deform. The transparent PVC material provides 360 degrees view of your surroundings, whilst the inside of your bubble tent stays warm thanks to the excellent heat retention. Transparent roof is amazing for night stargazing view. Quechua Camp Bed Air. The Quechua inflatable camp bed base from Decathlon might look like some kind of life raft, but it is in fact an inflatable bed base for your camping mattress. It can also be linked to another to form a double bed. Station creepy crawlies, etc. ES30W. The ES30W solar panel is a dual-purpose piece of equipment for campers and outdoor enthusiasts alike to use as a way to keep their devices powered up, while also offering additional benefits. The unit is outfitted with a series of solar cells on one side that can capture 30 W of power when exposed to the sun's rays, and is great for use with a wide range of devices to keep them functioning at all times. The device can be attached onto a backpack or the side of a camping trailer to capture energy, but also works as a table when not in use for charging thanks to a folding design. The surface is coated with PE protective film, which can protect it from acid rain or saline alkali mounted on the roof of a vehicle. It offers an elevated sleeping platform and protection from the elements during camping trips or outdoor adventures. Rooftop campers usually have windows and mesh panels for ventilation, allowing air to circulate and preventing condensation buildup. The rooftop camper is supported by a sturdy base and mounting system, which allows it to be securely attached to the roof of a vehicle, such as a car, SUV, or truck. The interior of the tent typically features a foam or inflatable mattress to ensure a comfortable sleeping surface for campers. It's designed to withstand various weather conditions, including rain and wind.